In this video, I'll show you exactly how to repurpose long-form content into microposts with AI in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to get more out of your content without spending hours on it, stick around. This is going to save you tons of time and effort. The first thing you need to know is that repurposing content doesn't have to be a complicated process. In fact, with the right AI software, you can quickly turn a 20-minute video or 1,500-word blog post into a series of engaging microposts for social media. And I'm going to show you how it's done, step by step. The software we'll be using today automates the entire process. It can analyze your long-form content and break it down into bite-sized posts perfect for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other platform. Here's how it works. Start by uploading your long-form content into the software. This could be a video, podcast, or blog post. The software then transcribes and analyzes it, picking out the key points, quotes, and ideas. You can then choose which parts you want to focus on, whether that's a powerful quote, a surprising stat, or a section that's easy to digest for your audience. Next, the AI will help you format those key pieces into different micropost formats. For example, it can turn a detailed explanation into a series of bullet points, or create a 100-character snippet from a longer paragraph. It can even suggest relevant hashtags, making it easier for your post to be discovered. Once you've selected your favorite snippets, you can quickly post them to your social media accounts, saving you hours of manual work. And the best part? It's all automated with AI. I've tested a bunch of popular AI tools out there, and this one is by far the most user-friendly and efficient. You can actually see the software work in real time, which is why I highly recommend trying out the exclusive free trial that I've linked in the description below. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage while you can. Here's your key takeaway. Repurposing long-form content into microposts with AI is a game changer for efficiency. It's fast, it's simple, and it ensures your content is everywhere without you having to lift a finger. Just upload your content, let the software analyze and break it down, pick the pieces you want, and post them to your social media. To quickly recap, upload your long-form content, let the AI analyze and extract key points, choose your best snippets, and post them to your social channels. It's that simple. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software in the description if you want to follow along and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.